Welcome to homework.
Hello everyone. In this question, they have taken a rice sample about 2.3 grams. 2.3 grams of rice sample. And this rice sample, they have taken in calorimeter. And after that, what happens? Once they taken in calorimeter, the rice is going to be burned and they produce some amount of energy. That energy is 26 kilojoules of energy is going to be produced. So in this question, they have asked that how many kilocalorie joules of it produced. So here they have given in kilojoules, but we have to convert it into kilocalorie. So as we know that 1 kilojoules is equal to 239.1 calorie. 239.1 calorie. Here how many kilojoules of it they have given? Here 26 kilojoules of it they have given. For 1 kilojoules, it is 239.1 calories. For 26 kilojoules, for how much? So 1 kilojoule is equal to 239.1 calories. For 26 kilojoules, it is how much? So you are going to be multiply 26 with 239. So 1 kilojoules containing 239.1 calories, but 26 kilojoules containing how many calories? So that's why I am going to multiply 26 with 239.1. So it becomes 6216.6 calories. It becomes 6216.6 calories. So when we convert 26 kilojoules into kilocalories, it becomes 6216.6 calories. So here I am going to convert it into calories, but they have asked that we have to convert into kilocalories. So what I do, just I am going to divide it by 1000. It becomes kilocalorie. So I am going to per kilocalorie. What I do, I'm just going to divide by this value by 1000. 6216.6 divided by 1000. So it becomes how much? Kilo means 1000, right? It becomes 6.2166 kilocalories. 66 kilocalories. This is our final answer. So the right sample produced the final answer. The right sample produce how many kilocalories? That is 6.2166 kilocalories of energy. This much of it produced. So in this question, what they have given? They have given the energy in kilojoules, but they have asked that we have to convert kilojoules into kilocalories. First what I did, just I am going to convert it into calories. After that, I am going to convert it into kilocalories. Hope you found the video useful to you. Thank you.